Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Welcome to our job interview. Could you please tell me about yourself?
I am Raihan Nayuna. I'm a web developer. I just graduated from IDN. Actually, I have many experiences in backend development, and that is my specialty in programming.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what do you know about our startup and why do you want to work here?
A few weeks ago, I've done some research on your company, startup, about something interesting about your web development things, not about the product but the website. I find it interesting because the complexity of the website and some of it's really suitable for me because I have the skill to maintain and develop the site to be more better website and friendly user site.
Of course. Could you please give me an example of a project or accomplishment that you are particularly proud of?
One of my successful project is when I make a data table kind of things project. It's a website project based on backend, and I use Laravel to use that data table. It has a simple design, but yet it has complexity in its logic.
That's interesting. Okay, so I want to know how do you handle ambiguity and rapid changes in a startup environment?
How I handle ambiguity is I will keep adapt to the environment and like to the peoples around me, like how they used to be or what specialty are they in, like what teams, you know. I will learn how to do a great teamwork and how to make a good communication with other people in the company. So with that, I can accomplish many projects, not with by myself but together.
Okay. What technical skills or tools are you proficient in, and how can they benefit our startup?
One of my skills, the most useful skills, and I am expert in, is backend development. It's based on Laravel, and also I can do native PHP. It's really useful for your company because Laravel can do many things and provide many features to make the development easier.
So I want to know how do you prioritize tasks and manage your time in a fast-paced startup?
Of course, I will make a schedule for it. I will separate which one is important, not important, or urgent and not urgent. So with that, it will be more organized with a team too, to make a good communication too. So we communicate which one is we need to do first and really important. So we will make the not important one and not urgent later on.
Okay, could you please describe a situation where you have to work with a cross-functional team? How did you ensure successful collaboration?
In my previous experiences, I was once with a team based on 3 people. One is the designer, one is the front end development, and one is the back end development. That is me. I mean the back end development. How we accomplish our project in time and with good quality too. We provide good communication, because if we don't communicate at each other, the project will be failed, something like that. So we also use some collaborative tools like Figma and GitHub. So it will make us save a lot of times and make the project more efficient and effective.
Okay, so how do you stay motivated and up to date with industry trends?
Every day I stay motivated by looking towards my LinkedIn. I also join a community. One of it is a developer community. I also attend in the community event like developer gathering, something like that. I talk with the speaker, listen to the speakers, getting new knowledge and new trends. I also find new friends and new connection from the people all around the event to make me get more knowledge about what are the new trends, what new things, what the best programming languages are, something like that.
All right. So could you please give me an example of challenging situation at work and how you handle it?
One is the most challenging situation when I work is if I found an error that even I search it in internet, the internet provide less information about the error, so I have no idea how to solve it. First, there will be 4 choices for me. One is that I will have to trust AI. Second, I will try my hardest to solve the problems or the errors. Third, I will ask a connection or a friend to help me solve this problem. And the last thing is I will use a different method instead to make the project faster.
Well, so the last questions. What are your long-term career goals and how do you see them aligning with our startup?
My long-term career goals, my goals is I will keep learning, even though if in the future I'm already an expert, I will still keep learning because in this world there will be always a new things. Even in programming world, there will be always updates like new methods, new programming language, new framework, and even a new kind of things of mobile development or web development. When I see your company, I talk to myself. My skills can be a good use for this company, and I can be more relevant for this company because I can upgrade my skill in here, and I can also help many people with the website from this company.
Okay, it's very interesting. Thank you very much for answering our questions, Mr. Nayuna.
Yes.
For coming, I think that's all for our interview today. We are looking forward to the next chance for you. Have a great day and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.